a garden is not complete without a bird feeder. Hi everybody, this is Patty from Flower and Flower, and today I was going to tell you about how to make a cute little bird feeder. And this is a candelabra that I found at a yard sale, and these are bowls that I got from Home Goods, and they're older bowls. I had them previously in the garden, and I've taken it apart to make some modifications so that it works better. So first of all, when you want to make a bird feeder, you have to have drainage, and I found that out the hard way, because sprinklers will get in it and it'll just soup up the seeds and cause a cake to form, and then the birds don't want it anymore. They go rancid. So you end up wasting a lot of seeds. So what you need is to drill holes in the top of your piece that you're going to use. In this case, I'm using a candelabra, and on top of that, you also have to drill holes in your this is a ceramic bowl that I got from Home Goods. And then after you do the holes, then you're going to glue it on with epoxy glue, and it'll stay for a very long time that way. And then your water will just drain out when it gets wet, when it rains, or when your sprinklers hit it. So what I was going to show you today is just the process. This is very easy. This is just getting a drill and drilling a hole in the metal. But drilling into ceramic is a little bit trickier. You need to make sure you're following the right procedure so that you don't crack your ceramic while you're doing it. So what I have here is this is a drill press, and I put the bowl right here, and this is a special bit for ceramic. And what I do is I go ahead and you put a little bit of water in the bowl, and that's to keep the bit cool while it's creating the hole. You always want to turn the machine on before you hit the glass or the ceramic, and you want to do a slow and steady pace. So you want the bit at a slow speed, and you also want to apply steady pressure. And I'm going to show you how you do it. So you always want to turn the machine on and have your settings properly set. So right now it is set at a low speed. And I'm going to put the machine on, and then I'm going to show you how I just kind of slowly go through the ceramic. Hold the bowl. As the water muddies up, I add more pressure, slowly. Just be patient and take your time. Just keep adding steady pressure. That's it. And then you're gonna now get the epoxy glue, and then you just glue it on, and that's it really. And then you just put it in your garden with seed in it, and the birds will come a-flocking.